Find the disassembly holes on both sides. Insert a round head screwdriver. Raise the handle of the screwdriver and poke the spring in the 5 o'clock direction. The one on the left applies force in the 7 o'clock direction. Spring extension removes the restraint on the airbag bracket. Remove the horn cover. Use a flat screwdriver to hold down the upper buckle. Press the buckle below and drag the wiring harness. Press the buckle on the lower left side with a flat screwdriver. Gently pull it off. Insert H10 hexagon socket head. Put on the extension rod of H10. Using a longer ratchet handle makes it easier to disassemble. Put on ratchet handle. Turning counterclockwise will loosen the screw. Tighten the steering wheel with your right hand while twisting. Simultaneously clamp the steering wheel with both legs. Use your left hand to tighten the wrench. It's best for 2 people to collaborate. One person tightly holds the steering wheel, while the other person tightens the wrench. Slowly unscrew the screw after it becomes loose. Remove the steering wheel screws. Shake left and right to remove the original circular steering wheel. Below is the circuit board of the original steering wheel. We need to remove it and transplant it onto the Yoke steering wheel. Reverse the steering wheel. Loosen the airbag spring buckle with a flat screwdriver. Use a T25 screwdriver to remove the 4 screws securing the surface frame. The screws used in cars produced in China or Germany may be different. A cross screwdriver may be needed here. Pinch the bottom of the steering wheel with both legs. Gently shake the face frame with both hands and pull out the buckle. Shake and forcefully pull out the buckles on both sides. The red part is the circuit board. The blue one is the heating wire inside the slot. Remove the heating wire from the cable tray and unplug it. Original car steering panel frame. Our Yoke steering wheel has no face frame. We just need to install the original car face frame onto it. Press the bottom first, and then fix other parts. Connect the heating wire. Place the heating wire connector in the wire slot. Place the wiring harness in the wire groove inside the F-frame bracket. Use a T25 screwdriver to tighten the 4 screws that secure the face frame. Press and secure the 3 airbag buckles. There are several concave grooves at the back for a better tactile experience. Ensure that the vehicle body is aligned during installation. Align the hole and shake it left and right for installation. Plug in the brown plug. Place the screw in the mounting hole. Use H10 hexagon socked head to tighten the screw first. Then reinforce with a ratchet wrench. Clockwise rotation is for reinforcement and tightening. Plug in the airbag wiring harness. Align the 3 holes to secure the airbag. Installation completed.